Looking for a desktop processor that pushes your gaming and creative projects to the next level? The 11th Gen Intel Core i9-11900K offers unlocked performance designed to meet the demands of enthusiasts and serious creators alike. With Intel Turbo Boost Max Technology 3.0 and PCIe Gen 4.0 support, this processor delivers the speed and responsiveness you need for smooth multitasking and intense workloads. What sets the i9-11900K apart? It's built on a 14nm design that balances power efficiency with nimble processing. This means you get high performance without an excessive power draw, rated at 125W, making it a solid choice for those who want power without unnecessary heat. Plus, the 16MB L3 cache ensures your most used data is quickly accessible, improving overall system responsiveness. Installation is straightforward thanks to the socket LGA1200 compatibility, fitting seamlessly with 500 series and select 400 series chipset motherboards. Just double-check with your motherboard vendor to confirm compatibility. Keep in mind, the thermal solution isn't included, so pairing it with a quality cooling system is essential to maintain peak performance during heavy use. Graphics-wise, the i9-11900K integrates the Intel UHD Graphics 750 controller, supporting up to 3 monitors. This feature enhances visual quality and flexibility, whether you're editing videos, designing graphics, or enjoying immersive gaming sessions without the immediate need for a dedicated GPU. One user shared their experience installing the i9-11900K on an Asus Prime Z590P Wi-Fi 6 motherboard, paired with Team Group DDR4 3200C L14 RAM and an Asus RTX 2070. Despite pushing the CPU to 5.3 GHz, their system stayed remarkably quiet, almost whisper quiet, even under load. This highlights the processor's efficiency and how it can keep noise levels low when paired with the right components. If you're ready to upgrade your desktop with a processor that combines speed, efficiency, and versatility, the 11th Gen Intel Core i9-11900K is worth a look. It's tailored for users who demand more from their hardware, whether for gaming, content creation, or heavy multitasking. Explore the benefits of unlocked overclocking and PCIe Gen 4.0 support that future-proof your setup. The i9-11900K delivers the performance boost that matters when every millisecond counts. If that's you, consider this processor your next step toward a faster, more responsive PC experience. Ready to experience high-performance computing that stays cool and quiet? The 11th Gen Intel Core i9-11900K offers a powerful upgrade path with proven reliability. Try it when you're ready to elevate your desktop's capabilities and enjoy smooth, efficient performance every day.